Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick trade comparison review between these two trading platforms, which is FundedNext and FundingPips. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about FundedNext in 2025, it stands out for its high trust rating, flexible challenge model, and the fast payout. Trader like the choice between one-step and two-step evaluation, profit split up to 95%, and no time limit for certain account. It also praised for reliable support and a broad asset coverage, making it a solid option for disciplined trader. FundingPips, on the other hand, shines for its affordability and accessibility entry, with challenge fees starting low and a multiple evaluation option. It offers no time limit on some account and a decent payout history. However, profit split usually starts at 80%. Platform reliability can be inconsistent, and some users find hidden rules frustrating. So in my opinion, FundedNext is strong for serious trader seeking a high payout, while FundingPips is better for beginner who want a low cost way in. And that's it. Hope I find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.